Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and healthy. So today we are going to start our dictation word meanings and question answer. So before starting this, I told you about this chapter. This chapter name is Who Will Play With Me. So student, in this chapter, we learned about the lazy boy of Rohit. Now, this story about a boy who does not like the study at all. One day he meets some creatures and then he changes. So now, when we read this story, we find out how he changed and what is the great impact on the Rohit. So now, when a Rohit does not want to go to school daily, he wanders here and there. So one day he goes to a garden near his home. He finds no other children in the garden to play. So he sits on a bench under the big banyan tree. So now after some time he noticed a peacock dancing and then Rohit say, will you play with me? Then the peacock say, I am very busy. So now he go to other creature. Now he ask the other ask same question, will you play with me? Then the any creature of this garden said that they were very busy. So now after that they realized the woman that he is very free. Now all the creatures of this world are very busy. So now this has a great impact on Rohit and he has changed his life, and in the end of the story he become a punctual boy and his parents feel proud of him. So now in this story you learn about what you learn about. You learn about we give up the laziness and become a punctual boy and girl. Okay, students. Now I am starting the dictation words of this chapter. Now, first here is creature. Creatures. Creature means, which means any large or small living things that can move independently. Second is here wonder. You know wonder, W-A-N-D-E-R. Yes, wonders to walk slowly, often without any purpose. Okay. Third is here flower beds. Flower beds, area full of flower plants. Okay, student. Now, number four, impact. IMPACT. Here, impact means effect. Effect means, in Hindi we can say प्रभाव पड़ना. Number fifth, laziness. Here, LAZINESS. Laziness means indolence, lethargy. Okay. Now, number six, attentively. ATTENTIVELY. Attentively, which means giving attention or carefully. Number seven, behavior. So now, student, spelling of behavior, BEHAVIOUR. Behavior. Okay. Behavior means the way that you act or behave. जिस तरीके से तुम व्यवहार करते हो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Behavior. Number 8, punctuality. PUNCTUALITY. Punctuality, which means the habit of not getting late. Okay. Number 9, praise. Here, praise, which means to say that somebody or something is good and should be admired. Okay. Number 10, proud. Here, which means to feel pleased and satisfied about something that you own or have done. So now, student, so you have to learn this dictation word. Okay. Now, now come on the word meaning. First is here wonder. Wonder to walk without any purpose. Okay. बिना किसी उद्देश्य के इधर उधर घूमना उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Wonder. Okay. Now next is impact. Impact here is a powerful effect. Powerful effect. Okay. Powerful effect का मतलब क्या होता है? प्रभाव पड़ना. Attentively, carefully. Revise. Here the word revise means to study again and again. Okay. Now next is punctuality. Punctuality, habit of not getting late. Okay, student. Yes, activity first. Try T for true statement and F for false statement. Okay. Now, first sentence is here. We should give up laziness. Is true or false? We should give up laziness. हमको क्या कर देनी चाहिए? Tag देनी चाहिए laziness. Yes, it is true. Now, the peacock is free to play with the boy. Now, peacock is free to play with the boy in this story? No, peacock is very busy. So, this is sentence is false. Now, number third, Rohit plays with his friends in the morning. Rohit अपने friend के साथ morning में खेलता था. False, because his friends go to school. Okay, now he plays with his friend in the evening. अपने friend के साथ evening में खेलता था. So this sentence is false. Now number 4, there are many children in the garden. बहुत सारे children थे garden में? No. Okay, so this sentence is false. So now student, you have to know about the uh, true or false. Now we will move on the next exercise. Answer the following questions. Okay, now student, here question number 1, why did Rohit find no friends in the garden to play with? अब देखिए रोहित को गार्डन में कोई भी फ्रेंड नहीं मिला खेलने के लिए. Why? Because Rohit found no friends in the garden to play because they had gone to school. क्योंकि वो कहाँ गए हुए थे? स्कूल गए हुए थे. So Rohit found no friends in the garden. Now number 2, why did the birds and animals in the garden no play with Rohit? Why? The birds and the animals in the garden did not play with Rohit because they all were busy in their work. क्योंकि वो क्या थे? Busy थे. खुद के काम करने में busy थे. As I am giving you example as a peacock doing dancing, pick-up dancing कर रहा था, and the dog also look after their master house. Okay, so now every creature in this garden are very busy. So in the second question, why did the birds and animal in the garden not play with Rohit? So the birds and animals in the garden did not play with Rohit because they all were busy in their work. Now question number 3. In the end of the story, Rohit's parents were happy with him. Why? End of the story में रोहित के parents बहुत खुश थे उनसे. क्यों? Let's see. In the end of the story, Rohit's parents were happy with him because he gave up his laziness and started going to school daily. क्योंकि उसने अपनी laziness छोड़ दी थी और उसने school जाना शुरू कर दिया था. So now student, we have completed the question answer of this chapter. Now you know that in each chapter we do the comprehension passage. So here is a comprehension passage number 1. Read the following passages and answer the question given below. First here is Rohit returns home and decides to go to school daily. Okay, रोहित घर पर आया और उसने स्कूल रोज जाने का निश्चय किया. He starts studying attentively. और उसने अपनी जो स्टडी थी वो स्टार्ट कैसे करी? Attentively मतलब very carefully and completes his homework also. और उसने अपना homework भी complete कर दिया. He learns his lesson regularly. वो अपना जो रोज का जो lesson होता है वो कैसे regularly learn कर लेता है. In the evening, he goes to playground and finds his friend there. In the evening, he goes to playground. जब वो evening में वो playground जाता है, he finds his friends there. और वहाँ पर अपने friends को पाता है. He plays with them for about an hour. He plays. वो खेलता है with them means उनके फ्रेंड्स के साथ for about an hour. अपने 1 घंटा बच्चों के साथ अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलता है. After returning home, वापस घर आने के बाद he takes his dinner. वो क्या लेता है? अपना डिनर लेता है and they revise what he studied at school. और रिवाइज करता है कि स्कूल में उसने क्या पढ़ाई करी. So now in the next line, with these changes in his behavior, he is now liked by everyone. अब ये जो changes थे उसके behavior में, तो now he is now liked by everyone. वो सभी के द्वारा क्या किया गया? प्रशंसित किया गया. सभी उसको क्या? तो सभी उसको proud फील करते थे और प्रशंसा करते थे. His friend praise him for his his teachers praise him for his punctuality and his parents feel proud of him. So उसके जो टीचर्स थे वो उसकी क्या करते थे, पंक्चुअलिटी मतलब डूइंग वर्क एट टाइम, उसकी पंक्चुअलिटी की क्या करते थे, प्रेज करते थे. और एंड हिज पेरेंट्स फील प्राउड ऑफ हिम, और उसके पेरेंट्स इस पे प्राउड फील करते थे. ओके स्टूडेंट, so now this is passage related to our story. So now here we will discuss the question answer related to this passage. So question number 1, the passage is about, ये passage किसके बारे में, first is the change in Rohit behavior, second Rohit's school, third is Rohit home, and fourth is Rohit village. So this passage is about the change in Rohit behavior. The next is here, what does Rohit decide? रोहित ने क्या decide किया? Rohit decides to go to school daily. रोहित ने स्कूल रोज स्कूल जाना decide किया, निश्चय किया. Number 3, what does Rohit do after returning home? रोहित क्या करता था घर आने के बाद? After returning home, he takes his dinner and then revises what he studied at school. मतलब घर पर आने के बाद he takes his dinner, वो अपना डिनर लेता and then revises what he studied at school, और रिवाइज करता था, क्या रिवाइज करता, जो स्कूल में पढ़ाया गया. Okay. Now question number 4, how do Rohit's teacher and parents react? रोहित के टीचर और पेरेंट्स ने कैसे रिएक्ट किया? Now Rohit's teachers praise him for his punctuality and his parents feel proud of him. So now we have completed the passage number 1. I hope you have understood how we can write the answer to this passage. Okay. Now we are starting the activity of your book. Now choose the correct alternative. First here is a punctual boy. Punctual boy does not miss his school, does not do work on time, does not misuse things, does not waste his time. So a punctual boy does not miss his school. Number A is correct here. Now number second, who is not willingly to work? कौन work नहीं कर रहा था willingly in this story? Peacock, dog, parrot or Rohit. So here Rohit is not willingly to work. Okay. So now number third, laziness is dash for us, good for us, bad for us, useful for us or helpful for us. So laziness is bad for us. Okay. Now activity second. These sentences given below have some underlined words. Fill in the blanks choosing their opposites from the box. So here you will notice that here given a help box. You can write the answer from this box. Okay. Now in tomorrow session I told you about the opposites. You know about the opposite now. So here we will do the exercise related to these opposite words. Okay. Now my father works in fields and my dash helps him. So now the opposite of father here is mother. Okay. Opposite means क्या होते हैं? Against each other. एक दूसरे के क्या होते हैं? विपरीत होते हैं. Okay. Second, the sun rises in the morning and set in the evening. The opposite of morning is here evening. Number third, in the winter season, we go to school at 9:30 a.m. and dash back from there at 3:40 p.m. So the opposite of go is come here and come back from there at 3:40 p.m. Number 4, parrot, crow, sparrow and horses were busy with their work, so they didn't play with Rohit, who was free. So now here we use opposite of free, busy. So now student, you know very well, we have already done this activity in the previous class. Okay. Now I hope you have understood this activity. Now we will come on the activity third. So activity in the third activity, you notice, look at the sentences and underline the difference between them. So now this is a sentence related to a tense, affirmative or negative. So before starting this, I'm sharing a bit. Now students, so you know about do not or does not. So now student, we use do not, does not make negative sentence. So now student, this is part related to a tense. So you have to know that the sentence are divided into three categories: present tense, past tense and future tense. So generally we talk about the present tense. Okay. Now the student, you know very well, in the present tense we talk about only a present, मतलब वर्तमान की बात करते हैं. So in the sentence we make we form a structure. A structure is a subject plus verb की first form plus as, yes, ies plus object. So now student, you notice the subject here, where we use don't, where we use does. Okay, now the subject, if we use subject I, you, we, they, so we use the auxiliary verb don't. Okay, now when we use the subject he, she, it, we use a does here. So now the student, if we talk about the do not or don't, does not, you notice that if we use subject I, you, we, they, we use a don't. If we use he, she, it, we use a does not here. So we make a sentence: you don't go. Here is a verb also: you don't go. So here is the auxiliary verb. Okay, now here is a main verb. Okay, we don't go, they don't go. Okay, now in the next sentence we generally we use does. किसके साथ हम does use करते हैं? He, she, it के साथ हम generally does not use करते हैं. So he, she doesn't like. She doesn't like apple. Okay, उसको apple पसंद नहीं है, तो why we make a sentence: she doesn't like apple. When we write in affirmative sentence, we write she likes. When we write an affirmative sentence, we write likes, L-I-K-E-S. She likes apple. When we write a negative sentence, she doesn't like apple. Okay students, so now you notice that when we use a main verb, we use as, s, L-I-K-E-S. We use like, so we in the negative sentence we use does not. Okay, now in the affirmative, you see an example of affirmative sentence: you speak English. This is a sentence. In the negative sentence, you don't speak English. In the negative sentence में आप क्या लिखेंगे? So generally, you के साथ आप क्या use करेंगे? Don't use करेंगे. Okay. So here you notice you don't speak English. Now, next sentence, affirmative. He speaks English. So you notice the sentence he. Generally, we use as, es, ies from he, she, it. Okay. Now here we use the subject he. So we use a as. So he speaks English. When we make a negative sentence from this sentence, he doesn't speak English. जो आपको पता चलेगा जब हम इसका negative बनाएंगे तो हम use करेंगे doesn't. एज अफर्मेटिव वर्ब हम डजंट यूज करते हैं, तो जब हम डजंट यूज करेंगे तब स्पीक में हम एस यूज नहीं करेंगे. ओके, नाउ हियर थर्ड पर्सन वर्ब्स लूज द फाइनल एस. जो थर्ड पर्सन जो वर्ब होती है वो क्या करती है, उसमें फाइनल वर्ब एस इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस उसको क्या कर देते हैं, हटा देते हैं. व्हेन वी यूज डज वी omit the s from the verb. Okay, when we don't use as in affirmative sentence, we only use a don't. Don't speak, here you notice हमने speak use किया है तो यहाँ पर don't आया, तो हमने यहाँ पर भी speak use किया. अगर हम जब हम person की बात करते हैं, अगर he, she, it के साथ हम s use करते हैं तो इधर speak आया, तो यहाँ पर आपने देखा है कि s use किया है. when we make a negative sentence, so in the negative sentence we omit the s from the main verb. Okay student, now स्टूडेंट बी केयरफुल. देखो, आई नो लिव इन जापान. देखो कभी भी हम ऐसे यूज नहीं करते. हमको अभी सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस जब भी हम यूज करते हैं, हम फॉर्मिंग करते हैं स्ट्रक्चर की, सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर की, वी डोंट यूज ओनली नो, वी यूज आई डोंट लिव इन जापान. व्हाई वी यूज डोंट? बिकॉज वी यूज आई एज अ सब्जेक्ट. आई के साथ आपको पहले ही बताया था हम क्या यूज करेंगे, डोंट यूज करेंगे. नाउ नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, शी हैज अ कैट. It's a correct sentence. In negatives, she doesn't has a cat. अगर आप देखो इसको हम ऐसे नहीं लिखेंगे कि has use नहीं करेंगे. The negative sentence, she doesn't have a cat. इधर have क्या possession है, खुद के पास रखने के लिए आया है. So हम use नहीं करेंगे. She doesn't has a cat. We use a correct sentence. She doesn't have a cat. So now student, I hope you have to understood the where we use don't and we use does not in to make a negative sentence. So now I'll share your PDF now. So now I hope you have to understood the sentences. So now I'm starting the go. Now student, look at these sentences and underline the difference between them. I go to play in the evening is a affirmative sentence. I do not go to play daily. It is a negative sentence. Why it is a negative sentence? Because we use don't with the subject I. Okay. Now the second next sentence, he learns his lesson. It is a affirmative. Affirmative sentence को हम क्या बोलते हैं? सकारात्मक वाक्य. So now student, you notice here. He learns. We use as, es, ies from the subject he, she, it. So now in the we make a negative sentence from the sentence. He does not learn. Okay. Here as is omitted, हम has को हटा देंगे. Why? Because we use does not here his lesson. Okay. He does not learn his lessons. Okay. Now next sentence is affirmative. We go to school regularly. So it is an affirmative sentence. Now we do not go to school regularly. We generally use don't from the we. So we here is we is our subject. So we use don't go to school regularly as make a negative sentence. I hope the student you have to understood what is affirmative and what we make a negative sentence from this affirmative sentence. This sentence is in a simple present tense. Okay. Now here the activity. Now change the following sentences into negative. अब आपको क्या करना है, जो आपके सामने affirmative sentence दे रखे हैं उनको हमको किसमें change करना है? Negative. Now first is here, the boy meets a dog. The boy does not meet a dog. Now you know here is you notice that here the boy is a singular, so singular subject. So now we use from the singular subject we use as es, ies, and we make a negative sentence. We use a does not. Okay, the boy does not. Now you notice we write meet. हमने क्या लिखा? Meet, not meets. Why we not meets? Because when we use does, we omit as. हम as क्या करते हैं? हटा देते हैं. So now the sentence: the boy does not meet a dog. Now next sentence is here. We play in the evening every day. Okay, make a negative sentence. We do not play in the evening every day. So you know that very well. We use do not हम subject we, I, we, you के साथ हम क्या use करते हैं? Do not use करते हैं. Okay, so we do not play in the evening every day. तो यहाँ पर हमको as es का confirmation नहीं करना, हमको simply जो main verb है as it is वैसे ही write down करना. We do not play in the evening every day. Now next is Mohan does his homework daily. Mohan does here does is you notice here does is a verb here. Okay. Mohan does not do his homework. When I told you about the sentence, the has or have वाला आपको sentence बताया था मैंने. So now in the same sentence, Mohan does not. We use does not as a negative make a negative sentence, and we do. Why we use do here? Because Mohan does. Mohan के साथ देखो SES लगता है. Mohan